How to save video from CapCut to gallery. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can save video from CapCut to gallery. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, go ahead and open up your CapCut application first. And once you open it up, you need to select this option called New Project. Once selected, you can just go ahead and select a video from your gallery that you want to edit out from using CapCut. For example, this one right here, and tap on Add. Once added and placed it in this timeline, what you need to do is the next process. In order to export it after you have edited it out, on the top right corner, you can find Export option. So you can just go ahead and tap on it, and in order to save the video into gallery, the new update of CapCut makes you compulsorily watch an ad about 15 to 30 seconds. So just go ahead and watch up the ad and it will be directly exported into your device. So that is it. That is how you save up a video from CapCut to gallery. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.